Good morning, children. I hope you all are enjoying your online classes, children. So, children, in our previous class, we had learned about the addition, but today we are going to learn about subtraction. Okay, children, in your previous class or in class 1, you have learned about the numbers, how to subtract numbers up to 2 digit. Okay, but in this class, children, we are going to learn the numbers up to 3 digit. So, before we move ahead, let's take a quick recall, okay, of our previous class. So, children, subtraction. First, we'll do subtraction. So, we'll subtract 53 from 99. So, first we write this in expanded form in tens and ones form. So, 9 and 9 ones. Then 5 tens, 3 ones. Okay, so here first we take tens and then we'll take ones and ones. So 9 minus 5 and 9 minus 3. So 9 minus 5, 4, and 9 minus 3, 6. So what we'll get over here? 46. So by subtracting 53 from 99, we'll get 46. Okay, children? Then we'll move on to vertical subtraction. Okay, this is done without borrowing. Okay, so first 9 minus 7, 2, 6 minus nothing. Okay, because if no number is written here, that means we assume 0, and 0 means nothing, children. So 6 minus 0, 6. Okay, again 8 minus 5, 3, 2 minus 0, 2. Okay, so do all other two sums also in this the same way. Then we'll move on to the problem sum, children. So here our father of Dolly, he invited 75 guests in his Dolly house. Okay, and only 63 guests arrived. So how many guests did not come to the party? So we'll do subtraction over here to get the exact number of guests who did not come to the party. So here total number of guests. Okay, I'm writing in a short form, children, but you write in a full form. Guest. Okay, 75. Then guest arrived 63. Then we'll minus 63 from 75. We'll get 12. Okay, so that means 12 guests did not arrive at the party. So in this way, we'll do the other sums also. Okay, children. So we'll move on to subtraction with borrowing. Okay, so let's take this example, children. We subtract 7 from 42. Okay, so first we write this number in a tens and ones form, 42. Okay, and only ones is there, 7 ones is there, so write 7 under ones form. So step number 1, children, we know that 7 is greater than 2, children, and we cannot subtract 7 from 2, so we borrow 110 from the 4 tens number. Okay, so let's take, so when we borrow 1 from 4, so it becomes 12 tens. So we'll cut 2 and we minus 7 from 12. Okay, so we'll get 5 over here. So how much is left over here? 3 tens are left. Okay, so we again cross this 4 and we'll get 3, and no number is written over here, so 3 tens are there. So we'll get 35 when we minus 7 from 42. Okay, children, so in this way we'll do exercise number 41. Fill in the box. 4 tens minus 110, 310, and 110 plus 7 ones, 17 ones, because 110 is equal to 10. Okay, so 10 plus 7, 17. So do B and C again in the same way. Then we'll move on to subtraction. This one. So 61 minus 5. So 1 is less than 5. So we'll take 110 from here. So we cut 1, we make here 11. So 11 minus, and we cut here 6, we make it 5. Okay, so 11 minus 5, 6. Okay, and 5 is 5. Okay, so we'll get 56 over here. Similarly here also 16 here becomes 5. Okay, so 16 minus 8, 8, 58. So in this way, do the other sum. Okay, children. Let's move on to other subtraction with more borrowing. And this subtraction, children, will take two-digit number from bigger two-digit number. Okay. So let us subtract 47 from 64. So again we're going to write it in the form of tens and ones. 64, 47. Okay. Then again, children, you know that 7 cannot be minus from 4. So we'll take 110 from here and we write 14 over here and we cut 4. So 14 minus 7, 7. Okay. So here step number 2. Then this 6, it becomes 5 tens. So 5 tens minus 4 tens, we'll get 1. Okay. So we'll get 17 after subtracting 47 from 64. Okay, children. So do all these sums according to the same method. Okay, so let's do exercise 4.2. okay, the subtraction. 5 minus 6, it is not possible, so you will borrow 1 from here, so it becomes 15, and 15 minus 6 will get over here 9. Okay, and here 5 is left, so 5 minus 5, 0. Okay, so we'll get total 9. Again 11 minus 5, it is not possible, so we take 1 from here, it becomes 11. 11 minus 5, 6. Okay, here 6, 6 minus 1, 5. Okay, student, so do all these sums according to the same method. Okay, now children, we'll do subtraction of 3-digit numbers with borrowing. Okay, now in class 1, children, we have learned how to subtract 2-digit number from a greater 2-digit number by grouping tens and ones. Okay, so here we are going to learn about subtraction of 3-digit number from greater 3-digit number in the same way, children. So let us minus 324 from 867. Okay, so first we write it in a expanded form. 800, 6 tens, 7 ones, 300, 2 tens, 4 ones. Okay, so we'll take 100 in this one side, 8, 3, then 6 tens, 2 tens, 7 ones, 4 ones. Okay, then what it becomes? 8 minus 3, 500, 6 minus 2, 4 tens, 7 minus 3, 4, 3 1. So we'll get 543. So let's do exercise 4.3. Okay, so first term will minus 432 from 649. So first we write in the expanded form 600, 4 tens and 9 ones. Similarly 400, 3 tens, 2 1. Then we'll take 100, 6 minus 4. Then we'll take tens, 4 minus 3, 9 minus 2. 6 minus 4, 2. 4 minus 3, 1. And 9 minus 2, 7. Okay. So what it becomes? 217. Okay. So children, do other sums also in the same way. Okay, children, then we'll do vertical subtraction with borrowing. Okay, children, then we'll do this sum again, same method. First we write in the form of, so we in this, children, will subtract 145 from 957. Again we're going to write it in the 100 tens and ones form, children. So here 957, 145. So first we start from the ones. Okay, so 7 minus 5, 2. Then again we'll go for tens. 5 minus 4, 1. Then we'll go for 100. 9 minus 1, 8. So we'll get 812. Okay, so let's do exercise 4.4. Okay, so again subtract these numbers, children. 8 minus 5 3, 6 minus 2 4, 5 minus 1 4. Okay, so we'll get 443 here. Then again second sum, 7 minus 2 5, 9 minus 7 2, 8 minus 2 6. Okay, so in this way children, do the other sums. Okay, also okay children, in your copy. Then we'll move on to vertical section without borrowing. Okay children, the children, this vertical section without borrowing we'll learn in the next class. Okay children, so that is all for today, and your homework is, children, do the exercise 4.1, 4.2, 4.3 and 4.4 in your copy. Okay, and send it through the WhatsApp. So that is all for today children. Thank you and goodbye.